Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be doing Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 4. So let's get started. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So the qualities of the people of taqwa were being mentioned in the previous ayah. We saw that they are the ones who believe in the ghaib. They yuqimuna salata. They do their namaz, and also from which Allah has provided them, they spend. Then other qualities are mentioned here in this ayah, which are wallazina yu'minuna bima unzila ilayka wama unzila min qablik wabil akhirati hum yuqinun. And it means that these are the people of taqwa are those who believe in what has been revealed to you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and what was revealed before you, and in the hereafter they are certain in faith. So the components of faith, or our iman, they have been highlighted in the three components of faith have been highlighted in the Quran. Number one is belief in Allah, then there is belief in message, and then there is belief in akhirah. So the belief in message includes the belief in the angel that brought the message, it includes the belief in the message itself, and also a belief in the messenger. The people of Taqwa believe in what is revealed upon Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and what was revealed before him. Notice that there is no mention that they also believe in like what will be revealed after him. So this closes all the doors for all those people who say that uh, revelation can come even after Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So in the second surah, in the very beginning, Allah makes it clear that the people who believe in what was revealed on you, or Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and what was revealed before you, there is no mention that what will be revealed after you. So the Khatam an-Nabiyyin, the last prophet, and so there is nothing coming after him. Finally, these people believe firmly on the akhirah. This is no normal belief. The belief of akhirah, their belief of akhirah is such that as if they are seeing it with their own eyes, and so they function accordingly. So this was the ayat for today. Wallazina yu'minuna bima unzila ilayka. These are the people who believe upon what is revealed upon you, ilayka, wama unzila min qablika, and what was revealed before you, wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun. And on akhirah they have a very firm belief. So this was ayat for today. Inshallah tomorrow we'll do the next ayat. Fi aman Allah.